How to stake on crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can stake on crypto.com. Now here is a quick picture. As you can see here, now I'll guide you through this picture. Now first thing what you want to do is you want to head into the accounts tab on your homepage that you'll find at the bottom. You'll want to head into accounts tab. There you'll get these options. You want to select the crypto earn option. You want to simply tap on crypto earn option, and from there at the top right you'll find the plus icon at the top right corner. So you want to tap on it. Once you tap on the plus icon there, what you want to do is you'll get this list of currencies. You can see you want to select the Shiba Inu option there that you can see there. Once you select it, you can see you want to select the term. When the term expires, your principal and earnings will be in the currency you set. Once you select all these terms, you want to simply tap on continue and then deposit it, and you'll be good to go. So this way you can stake on crypto.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.